Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. In the last class we started block 8, India, physical features and climate. We studied different physical features of India. Yes, which are the physical features of India? Northern mountain, northern plains, desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plains and islands. These are the physical features of India. Then we studied about all these physical features briefly. Then today's class we are going to discuss about climate in each physical features of India. Okay. Okay, so we already studied all the physical features. So first we studied about mountains. Isn't it children? So which is the climate in mountain? Yes, mountains have cold climate. Mountains have cold climate. Cold climate. Why mountains have cold climate? Yes, when we move to top of the, when we move to up, it will be, the climate will be cool. Climate will be cold. Okay, so we know the top of the mountain, it is covered by snow. We already studied Himalaya mountain, the top part is covered by snow. So it has cold climate in mountains. Okay, so which type of clothes the people wear here? Yes, people wear warm clothes. People wear warm clothes here. Warm clothes. Okay, because they need to get warm. Isn't it children? To get warm, they wear warm clothes here. Warm clothes means woolen clothes, blanket, like that clothes only the people living in the mountainous areas used to wear. Okay, so which type of climate is in mountain? Mountains have cold climate, so people wear warm clothes here. Okay, then next we studied the climate in plains. Which type of climate are there in plains? Yes, plains have hot climate in summer and cold climate in winter. Okay, so it is hot in summer and cold in winter, and cold in winter. Okay, so which type of climate will be there in plains? Plains have hot climate in summer and cold climate in winter. So the people used to wear cotton clothes in summer season and warm clothes in winter season. Okay, so which type of climate will be there in plains? The plains have hot climate in summer and cold climate in winter. Okay, then third we studied desert. Which type of climate will be there in desert? Yes, deserts have hot and dry climate. Hot and dry climate. Why here it is hot and dry climate? Yes, it is because of this desert is covered by sand dunes. Desert is covered by sand dunes, and we already studied it is getting very little rainfall here. So that are the reason the desert have hot and dry climate. Okay, so which type of climate will be there in desert? Desert have hot and dry climate. Okay, so it is because of covered by sand. It is covered by sand and little rainfall is available here. Little rainfall will be available. That is the reason, because that is the reason why the desert have hot and dry climate. Okay, the next next physical feature, it is plateau. What will be the climate in plateau? Yes, plateaus also have hot climate. Plateaus also have hot climate. Okay, it is covered by rocks. Plateaus are covered by rocks, so the plateaus also have hot climate. Okay, so what is the climate in plateau? Hot climate. Next we have to study two more physical features. Yes, coastal plains and islands. Coastal plains and islands. So how will be the climate in coastal plains and islands? Coastal plains and islands have neither hot nor cold climate. So how is the climate? Neither hot nor cold. That means it will not be more hot and it will not be more cold. That means pleasant climate will be there in the coastal plains and islands. Coastal plains and islands have neither hot nor cold climate. It is because of the wind coming from the sea make this climate pleasant. Okay, so we know the coastal plains and islands are near to the water bodies. So the cold wind will come from this sea. That make this climate pleasant here. Okay, so the coastal plains and islands have neither hot nor cold climate because the wind coming from the sea make the climate pleasant here. Okay, so these are the climate in different physical divisions of India. Okay, in the mountains have cold climate we studied. How is the climate in mountain? Cold climate. So the people wear warm clothes here. Okay, to get warm they wear warm clothes. Second one, it is plains. Plains have summer it is hot and winter it is cold. That type of climate only will be there in the plains. So the people wear cotton clothes in summer and warm clothes in winter. Okay, then third one, it is desert. Which type of climate in desert? Hot and dry climate, because here desert is covered by sand dunes and get very little rainfall here. So the deserts have hot and dry climate. Next, plateau. Plateaus also have hot climate. Next one, it is coastal plains and islands. Coastal plains and islands have neither very hot nor very cold climate. That means very pleasant climate only will be here. It is because of the wind coming from the sea make the here pleasant climate. Okay, so this much only you have to study about climate of each physical division. Now everybody take your workbook, page number 45. Yes, climatic conditions. Climatic conditions. Everybody write date at first. Then first question is, write the type of climate found in each physical feature. Give reason for your answer. So you can see one physical feature is already given there and climate also mentioned there. Yes, first one, northern mountains. Northern mountains, how is the climate here? Climate is cold because people wear warm clothes here. People wear warm clothes and most of the mountains are covered with snow at the top. Okay, so that is one answer is already given there. The climate of one physical feature is already mentioned there. Second one onwards we have to complete. So second one, it is northern plains. Yes, what is the climate in northern plains? Yes, climate is hot in summer and cold in winter. Why? Because the people wear cotton clothes in summer and cold warm clothes in winter season. Okay, so how we will write the answer? Yes, in the northern plains climate is hot in summer and cold in winter because people wear warm clothes in winter and cotton clothes in summer. Okay. Then second physical feature, it is desert. How is the climate in desert? Climate is hot because it is covered by sand dunes and it gets only very little rainfall. Okay, so desert climate is hot because it is covered by sand dunes and get very little rainfall. Third physical feature is coastal plains. How is the climate in coastal plains? Yes, climate is neither very hot nor very cold climate. Why? Because the wind coming from the sea make the climate pleasant here. Okay, so what is the climate in coastal plains? Climate is neither hot nor cold because the wind coming from the sea makes the climate pleasant. Okay. The next one, look at the pictures. Do you think that the climate in both these places is similar? Give reason for your answer. So you can see two pictures here. First picture is coastal plains and second picture it is mountain. So do you think, children, this both physical features have same climate? No, because these two are different physical features, isn't it? So how is the climate in mountain? Yes, mountains have cold climate we studied and coastal plains have neither hot nor cold climate. So how can we write the answer of this? Yes, the climate in coastal areas are neither very hot nor very cold. Okay. Then but the climate in mountains are cold. Very cold climate only will be there in the mountain. So we can understand that the climate in the both places are different because of the differences in the physical features of this area. Okay, how can we write the answer? The climate in the coastal areas are neither hot nor cold, but the climate in mountains are very cold. So the climate in both these places are different because of the differences in the physical features of this area. Okay, so this is the way you can write the answer. Now we can do one practice question. We have to complete only one practice question today. Yes, the practice question number 5. So 2, 3, 4 we already discussed in the class. Now we have to discuss practice question 5. What type of climate is found in the coastal plains of India? Now only we discussed what is the climate in coastal plains. Yes, coastal plains have neither very hot nor very cold climate. Okay, so this much enough for today's class. So today's class we discussed only the climate of each physical divisions. Hope you all understood today's class. So everybody need to complete your homeworks. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.